As a content creator, you can record for hours and end up with thousands of clips. Then later you open the folder trying to find that one perfect highlight and you have no idea where it is. That's a nightmare. So I built searchable, a completely free local OBS plugin that lets you save and rename your replay, highlight or recording instantly, right when the moment happens. Capture it, name it, move on. Let's see how it works. So imagine you are playing your favorite game, whatever game it can be, and you're trying to capture the marvelous moments. For that marvelous moments, you of course enabling the replay buffer. And now you see that star icon, it's glowing and you can capture something. And now we do the magic. So for example, we found very rare item or whatever. What we do? We just pressing save clip. We hit the beep and we say like best artifact in the game. And it's saved. And as you see, it has the name of the recording on the bottom, right? Transcribed from your name. You see the name of the game, title of the game, and everything is required there that you see. And now you can just easily press open. You see exactly this folder with that file. That's very convenient. You can do the same with the recording. Of course, when I press stop recording, you will see nothing, but yeah, you can do the same with recordings. That's how searchable works. So you download the plugin to your machine. Now you open the OBS, you go to the scripts. Be sure that you have Python installed and enabled. And then you just adding this Python file. And the installation process already began. It will ask you, it will guide you through the whole process, ask you on every step. We choose the Python which it proposes. We want to install the packages. It will create a virtual network inside the folder that you just open. So be careful where you download and unpack the release from the GitHub. Let's wait. All necessary libraries are installed. So let's just choose the microphone we want to use. We choose English and the format. You can adjust format later. It will ask you to download the model of the faster whisper. You can do it yourself if you want to be on the safe side, or you can proceed to download exactly model from the Hugging Face. The URL will be highlighted here from where it will be downloaded. So you can check it yourself and be sure if you want to download it. Please do so. I am downloading the model. It must be very fast. Please pay attention that the model itself took some space. It's 500 megabytes right now, but you can download the more powerful model. For example, medium. It will weigh more. Please be careful, even if you are on the different scene. The only source of the title will be that one that you will enter here. So please be careful with that. It's the title of my source from completely different scene, just in case. Thank you for your time. You can support me with a like, share, comment and subscribe. See you with new AI tools.